So today we're going to be checking in on Edulastic and just reviewing some of the assigning tools that you have available to you. So when your children sign in, we want them to sign in through the Edulastic Portsmouth portal. So you're going to Google Edulastic in Portsmouth. The first thing that comes up is District Login PSDRI. Click that. This is the link that you're going to send to your students. They have to sign in through this Portsmouth page. If they just sign in through edulastic.com, then it will ask them for a class code. The class code is creating a new student, so you'll have several students of the same student in your roster. So send them here or send them through Google Classroom. Then you're going to sign in. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to manage class. That's in the left-hand navigation bar. We're going to click on our class. And on this page, this is where you're going to enable text to speech. So you're going to click off your student and you're going to come over to action where you enable text to speech. If you don't remember the student's password or if they don't remember their password, this is also where you would reset their password. Okay, after everything is all set with your roster, you're going to come up to the stack of books on the left-hand navigation, and we're going to click the library. We're going to create a filter to search for our assessments. So we're going to come over and we're going to search grade 2. I'm going to get rid of my old filters. Grade 2 in math. I don't need my standards, but I do want my district library. Then I'm going to apply the filter and I'm going to save this filter and I'm going to name it grade 2 district and hit save. Now what that does is over here on the left-hand side, it saves my filters so I don't have to go through that every time I want to find an assessment. I just click here and this collection will come up. So I'm going to scroll down and look for grade 2 end of module assessment. That's the one that I just worked on. So we can preview the assessment here or we can assign the assessment. I like to click in the white part and it takes me here to let me know that this is the link. If I want to share this with another teacher, I would just copy this and email it to the teacher. I can also preview from here. If I click that, it shows what the assessment looks like. If I want to make any changes to it, I'll be able to see in the preview. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to assign it. So I'm going to click assign. This is when it's going to open. This is when it's going to close. And it says automatically on start date. You have choices. You can open the assessment or it can automatically open when you want it to start. I think automatic is one less thing we have to worry about. You pick the class you want to assign it to. And then it says all 5 students on this side. If that is not your choice, you can click off the students that you want to give the assessment to. If you only want to assign it to 2 students, you can only assign it to 2 students, or you can select all and it assigns to everyone. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the superpowers. Superpowers are changes that you can make to your assessment. There's 2 things I want to make sure of. That this marks is done automatically when everyone's finished, and that you can release the scores so the students can see how they did. Those are the 2 things I want to be on. The rest of these are your choice, but I would make sure those 2 are on. Then you click the assign button, and you're all set. It has gone out to your students. Let me know if you have any questions.